Do you like how the clothes are like stretchy?
Yeah.
Is that easier to get on?
Yes. A lot easier.
Good for practicing your fine motor skills, huh, Hannah? It's very simple to open the little truck. I think the dolls are a good size.
Mama, we opened it.
The clothes are stretchy, so they can put them on fairly easy. But I do worry about with the little shoes and the little accessories, they'll get lost easily. But I think that just is how the little toys go. But it's a good size for their hands to manipulate.
Hannah?
And what kid doesn't like ice cream, right?
Yeah.
And ice cream trucks.
It's probably for
Oh yeah, they like it.